welcome back to my kitchen, Cooking with Love with Mary. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my keto chicken salad. So I'm going to adjust my camera here to my bowl that I'm going to be putting it in. And I have two chicken breasts here that I already got patted dry. And I'm not going to season it because I want to be able to season my my salad, once I get it all in the pan. So I'm just going to put that in the oven just like that. And I have the oven set at 425. So when I get back, I'm going to shred my chicken, and I have everything already measured out for it. So what I have is, it's going to be 3 cups of shredded chicken, 1 small red onion, 1/3 cup of green onion, 2 stalks of celery, 2 tablespoons of okay, I don't understand what that is. But when I come back, I'll let you know what it is. Somebody else written this for me, and I don't really understand what it is. Cilantro. Okay, I guess they didn't spell it right. That's why I didn't know what it was. 2 tablespoons of cilantro chopped. 1/3 cup of walnut roughly chopped. 1/2 cup of keto mayonnaise. 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and salt and pepper to taste. So I'm going to put this in the oven. And I'm going to come back and show you how I'm going to put this together. Oh, wait, the heat is hot. So I got my oven set at 425. So, okay, my glass is fogged up from this oven. So when I get back, I'm going to start putting this together for you. Hello, I'm back with my finished product on my keto chicken salad. So my chicken breast is done. So I'm getting ready to kind of cut it. If I got it out the oven, it's kind of rested for at least 15 minutes. So I'm gonna kind of slice it here, and it's still hot. Ooh, yes it is. Oh, still hot. Oh. And it might have rested longer, but it's still hot. I'm gonna kind of shred it. Oh, it's so hot. Now, like I said, if you would, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel and tell all your friends about it. And this recipe, when you make chicken salad, it'll yield long in your refrigerator, for leftovers. And to me, after you make it the next day is better, because all your seasoning sets in there. Okay, this is 1 cup. Two cups. Ooh, it's so hot. It's just my hands. Okay. Whew. So this was like 2 large chicken breasts, and it was and it yielded 3 cups. Exactly what my recipe called for. Okay, let's get this started. So what I'm going to do in this bowl here, let's see. Do a little cleanup here. Okay. So what I'm going to do in this bowl, I'm going to add my mayonnaise, my lemon juice, and my mustard and black pepper and salt. Okay. Get my little spatula here. And I have the mayonnaise I'm using is let me tell you exactly what I'm using. It's plant-based. I have plant-based mayonnaise. It's a half a cup. Dijon mustard 1 tablespoon. Lemon juice 1 tablespoon. And your black pepper and salt gonna be to taste, you know. And I have is some pink salt here. I might have to add a little more because I didn't put salt and pepper on my chicken when I put it in the oven. So I kind of season it, you know, gradually like I like it. Give this a stir. And I'm going to set this aside. Now to my chicken, I'm going to add my celery. And my celery is like 2 stalks of celery. And I don't think I'm going to add all that celery to mine. It's your preference, you know. And my recipe calls for 2 stalks of celery. And then cilantro. I have 2 tablespoons of cilantro. And I love cilantro, so I'm going to use all it. And a 1/3 cup of walnut, roughly chopped. And then I have like 3 little stalks of this green peppers. So I don't think I'm going to use all that because I got red onions also. And then my red onions is 1 small red onion. And I'm not gonna use all my red onions. I mean, it's up to you. And we're gonna add in the wet ingredients here. And this is the keto chicken salad. Well, you can use mayonnaise of your choice. I'm gonna give it a stir. And like I said, it's gonna be better, you know, if you sit overnight in your fridge because all that seasoning is gonna blend all in together. Yeah, it looks all the color. You got your bell pepper and everything in there. It looks delicious. Okay, so let me give this a try here. Okay, let me give it a try. Got your onions and Green onions, red onions. Oh. Oh yeah. I like it. It's good. Yep. Now this is your version of a keto chicken salad. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and tell all your friends about it. Check me out on YouTube. Okay. And here my salad, what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Look at all those colors in there. Red onions, the green onions, and celery. It looks delicious. So what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to have it over some lettuce. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that. Let me see. Okay. I got a piece of lettuce here. But this is not the kind of lettuce I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using the, I got the romaine lettuce. You just take your lettuce and scoop you some in there like that. Yeah. And you see that? Scoop you some in your lettuce. And you just eat it just like that. You fold your lettuce up. Fold your lettuce up like that, and you just take a good bite of it. Yeah. That is delicious. I can't chew and talk. Give me a few minutes. And if you want to, you know, you can take your few more of your green onions and put over it like that. See those green onions? Just fold up and eat it. And that's a keto chicken salad. So if you like this recipe, subscribe to my channel and tell all your friends about it. Until next time, bon appetit.